In this training video, I want to show you step by step how to promote low ticket front end offers that converts very good with a network called Warriorplus. So we're going to talk about Warriorplus, a network where the front end offer is very cheap, and because of its being very cheap, the offer converts very good. Okay, and a lot of people ignore this just because the front end offer is very low price, and due to the low price, the commission, if it's 50%, you're only going to get like $2 or $3. But you don't understand that once a person purchases a product, if it's in a purchasing mode, he's most likely going to purchase the upsells as well, and then you end up making a lot of money. Okay, so I'm going to show you step by step how to choose the product, my criteria to choosing a product on this network. Okay, and then how you can boost your commissions and how you can create a quick traffic campaign to drive some traffic to your Warriorplus offers and start making affiliate commissions. So let's dive into this video. Now, I'm on the Warriorplus network. If you don't know what Warriorplus is a network that has thousands of digital products. The best part about their product is that they have a very high conversion rate due to the front end offer being very cheap. So if you want to do a comparison between Warriorplus products and clickbank products, or Warriorplus products and Digistore 24 products, okay, I believe that if you're looking for good conversions with very minimum traffic, Warriorplus will be the best way to go, because Warriorplus offers do convert very good, okay, according to my experience. So it's free to join. Create your free account with Warriorplus, and once you have created your free account, you're going to go to affiliates, and then you're going to go to offers. You're going to click on this offer here, okay, and then when you click on this offer, you're going to see all these products come up. So you're going to request. Now, most products you're not going to be approved. You'll have to request, and it'll go into pending. So you could see here, you're going to see a couple of things down here. First of all, you're going to see the release date, which is very important. Okay, you want to actually promote a product which is latest. You don't want to promote any product that is older than, like, depends on the product. Okay, some product gets out of date within months, some products get out of date after 2 years, some product get out of date after 5 years. So it all depends on the product. Okay, so I can't give you a time frame for this, but just make sure that whenever you promote a product, you promote your product that is latest and up to date. Okay, so that's the first thing. Second thing is you need to look at the sales. Okay, so you could see here, this product was just launched a couple of days ago, and you could see it has generated 2,000 plus sales. Okay, the conversion rate is very high, 32%. Okay, so that's good, but then we need to look at this refund rate as well. So we could see here, after 2,000 plus sales, only 1% refund rate. So it looks like a good product to me. All right, so let's just look into this product and let's see what this is all about. Okay, so if I can see here, write a complete Roman over in 24 hours with AI. Okay, I can see, let's just go to the products. So you can see here, the front end offer is going to pay, the product price is $27. Commission is 75% on the front end, and then the remaining upsell has 50% commission. Okay, so you can see here, all these products are going to be the upsells, and you end up making anywhere from like $20 to up to $300-$400 if someone purchases all the upsells. So if I want to promote this product, I'm just going to come here, click on request approval. Okay, and because I have a track record and I've been in this business for over a decade and I've made a lot of money, okay, normally I get approved within 24 hours, so I don't have to write a long description telling them how I'm going to promote the product, what traffic source I'm going to use. But in your case, you might have to write a long description explaining why you want to promote this product, where you're going to get the traffic from, what is your track record when it comes to affiliate marketing. So I'm just going to quickly write, I am a super affiliate and would like to be approved. That's it. Okay, and hopefully I should get approved within 24 hours. Okay, so let's just go back and let me show you the product that I want to promote. Okay, so I've got some products here that I'm already approved. I'm going to come here all time, not here, all offers, I guess, and then I'm going to click on approved only. Now it's going to spill out all the products I'm already approved for. Okay, so let's just choose one of the products down here. Okay, let's just choose this product here that was launched over a year ago. Okay, I'm going to click on get link, and there you go. This is going to be my affiliate link here. Okay, so this is my affiliate link, and I am going to send traffic, real human eyeballs, to this offer here. Now every time someone sees this product, purchases the product, I earn a commission. Okay, so now it's time for me to create a quick traffic campaign doing direct linking. Okay, now I don't recommend direct linking. I've already said that. I highly recommend you create a bridge page, a landing page, but if you want to do direct linking, that's also okay. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to come to this traffic source here. This is invitation only. You can join this traffic source for free. Some of the top internet marketers have joined this traffic source, and some of the top internet gurus are actually using this traffic networks to send traffic. Okay, so we're going to click on add new campaign, and I'm just going to name the offer by putting WP means Warriorplus, and then I'm going to put the offer name here. Okay, let's just do that, and then I am going to put my affiliate link here. Now that's not my affiliate link. Where did that come from? Let's just go back, get link, let's just copy this, come back here, and let me just paste that in. Okay, there you go. Now remember, like I said, do not do direct linking. This is direct linking. The reason I'm just sharing this is because a lot of people are just getting started in this industry and they don't know how to create a landing page. They don't know how to do it. They don't know what does it mean, etc. So they just want to skip everything and get straight to the point, which is the meat and potatoes. So that's why I'm showing you direct linking, but I don't recommend it. Remember that if you want to make long-term money, long-term success in this industry, you have to create a landing page, a bridge page or a landing page to so you can have a long-term successful internet business. Okay, go down, make money online, traffic providers. Don't leave it empty. Just choose one of the person. I'm going to choose one of my best person here, which is this guy here. But instead of that, I'm just going to choose a guy who owns this traffic source, and that's this guy here. So let's just choose him. Okay, countries, only English speaking countries. But then in the beginning, I will just do United States. Okay, because that's where all the buyers are. And then I'm going to scroll down, and then this is very important. Okay, email traffic. This is what you want, email clicks. Okay, you don't want any other traffic. Now if you look on the right hand side, it says here 722 clicks available per day at a cost of 22 cents, which is cheap. Okay, so I'm just going to put 23 cents. Great. Total budget is going to be $100. Daily budget is going to be $10, and there you go. Okay, the reason I'm putting $10, so if I see that the offer is not converting or anything like that, I have enough time to actually switch the offer, pause the campaign, or switch my URL. Okay, and then after that, you're going to click on active, because you're just getting started for the first time and you are actually testing this person for the first time. You're just going to leave it smooth. You don't want to do accelerate, and then you're going to click on save campaign. That's what you're going to do. Okay, it's that simple. All right, once you have done that, okay, now it's time for you to start getting traffic. So what you need to do, you need to come here and click on add funds, because this is a paid traffic source. So you are basically paying to get those clicks. Okay, very, very important. All right, so you are actually paying someone to get clicks. So every time someone will, then you will be able to see the stats on your dashboard down here. Okay, and you will be able to see how many clicks you got, what was the cost, etc. And then you will be able to go into your Warriorplus account, okay, and come here, affiliates, and go to the dashboard, and you will be able to see your daily commissions, yesterday commissions, last 7 days, and last 30 days commissions. So that's how simple it is. Okay, choose an offer, come to Warriorplus, choose an offer. Now if you're just getting started for the first time, don't just choose one offer and wait. You want to request approval for at least 20 to 50 offers, because most people in the beginning do not approve due to having no tracking record. So you might want to request approval for so many offers, so at least you get approved for some, and then choose one product, start driving traffic, okay, to that product. And once you start getting real human traffic, okay, traffic equals money. So you're getting traffic, quality targeted traffic, and if you're persistent, hopefully if it's a good offer and it's targeted traffic, potentially you're going to make sales, and then you keep on continue until you make enough money so you can have money coming into your business, and then you're going to use half of that money to reinvest back into business by buying more and more and more traffic. That's how you scale your business, and you go from 1k, 2k, 3k per month to 10k, 20k per month. Okay, so this is how you do affiliate marketing with a network called Warriorplus, with a front end offer being very, very cheap. And due to being cheap, the conversion rate is very, very high. Okay, so start doing it, start taking action, and start making some affiliate commissions.